Hi guys, so I just found a free AI app you can use to animate your AI images. And the best part of it about this app is that it's totally free. Like it's free. Both their dialogue and everything is seriously nice. Okay, it's good for dialogue or any kind of AI movie you want to venture into. So if this is the kind of thing you want to learn for yourself, I will advise you stay to the end of the video because we'll be doing a full tutorial from the beginning to the end how you can animate your AI images with this free app I'm just mentioned. And the app is unlimited, like it's very nice and the outcome used to be very good. So guys, before we begin, if this is your first time coming across my channel, I'm still one of your best coach here with Ibe. On this app, I will bring you the free apps you can use to animate your AI video and also teach you how you can get your cinematic AI movie, documentary, long form, short form, just name it, any kind of AI content. We also can do it on this channel. So if this is kind of thing you want to learn for yourself, I would advise you to subscribe to this channel, turn up the notification button so whenever you drop a useful post, you can be first to be notified. And also don't forget to share with someone. So guys, let's dive in.
So the best thing is to head over to your AI app to get your AI movie script, okay, or your movie title. But if you have any script on head, go ahead to narrate it to the app. But if you don't have anyone that you want to work with, just tell the app to give you maybe 10 or 20 amazing, interesting movie title, okay. The app is to do the same, okay. Now for today's video, I have a little knowledge. That's why I use the mic to explain in details how I want my movie to be like, which you are seeing it on the screen. Okay, now after I'm done, I just check everything. I go ahead to do what? To click on that plus sign to send it. As I said before, if you don't have any movie idea, just tell the app to give you 20 interesting, amazing movie. Okay, just know the category. If you want it suspect, if you want it interest, if you want it intriguing, if you like anyhow you want it, if you want it under family abuse, anyhow you want, just state it. The app will do the magic for you. Okay, so this is my script the app have given me. Mind you, I want the movie to be very short. That's why it give me short script because it's just for this tutorial I want to use it for. Okay, so once I'm done going through my AI script the app have given me, now the next thing is to go ahead to copy the script. Like I'm just trying to copy the whole script. Okay, now I have to go ahead to copy the whole script. So after I'm done copying the whole script, now I head over to my another app to do some magic. Okay, so I head over to ChatGPT. Now I go ahead to paste the whole script on ChatGPT. Now when I paste it, mind you, if you just paste it, not talk anything, ChatGPT will go ahead to narrate the story for you. Do you understand? But whereby you instruct the app, so that's what I'm trying to do. It will calm down that like they will not do anything, they are just waiting for your instruction. So after everything, now I have to that will now take us to the next step for us to get in our consistent image. Okay. Now I still use the voice mic to analyze to the ChatGPT what I want ChatGPT to do under my consistent image, like how I want my consistent image to be. I need both their height, their name, their skin color, everything. Okay. So that is exactly what I said ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will now go ahead to do the magic which you are seeing here. Okay. Now we have character number one, we have character number two, we have character number three. So we have three characters on this AI movie we are trying to generate. Okay, so that's why ChatGPT go ahead to bring everything for me. So after I'm done going through my consistent image, like the characters I'm to work with, the next thing I will do next is to go ahead to tell ChatGPT the next thing it should do, which for us to get in our scene by scene image script, like the scene by scene image prompt. Okay, so after everything, I go ahead to send it. Please mind you can still do this thing with crowd. Okay, why I didn't want to do it with crowd, just as I still want to use this app to get my images. So you can still go ahead to get your consistent image, your scene by scene images with that crowd. They are doing massively on it. Okay, the crowd is very nice. Do you understand? So after I'm done going through my scene by scene image prompt ChatGPT have given me, now that will now take us to the next step for us to do was start generating it. And also mind you, please, you can still use other app to get your images. All you have to do, first of all, copy all the as in start generating the main character like the consis ten t images one after the other. So once you're done generating your consis ten t image one after the other, now head over to your scene by scene images. You can see they are under scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Now go to your scene 1 first, check the name they mentioned. Now copy everything about scene 1 scene by scene images. Now when you copy it, check their name they mentioned. Now bring in the names. Okay, when you bring in the names and send it, you still get exactly the result you are going to get in here, which is this. Okay, and also mind you, if you want to use this app to get your images done, it's still very okay. I'm using free version, you can go ahead to use it, but just that they have limit. Okay, so after everything, now let's go head over to generate another scene, which is the scene 2. Make sure if you're using this app to get your scene by scene images, always make sure you instruct the app on the ratio it to use. Okay, because if you didn't instruct the app the ratio you want your like for them to use, they will go ahead to give you 16 by 9, which is long form. Do you understand? But that's why I also trying to instruct them. Once you instruct them the first one, they will now know what to do in the next app, in the next movie, in the next image, I mean to say. So like this now, our second image is ready. Now let's just check the outcome to see if that's what we want. So you can see, okay, that's very nice. So this is very awesome. Now let's go ahead to check it. Okay, so you see ahead to save it. Now once we save it, that will now take us to another place for us to start animating our AI images. Okay, so I see over to crowd to go and copy my script. Like I'm just trying to copy a shot of it, because like this now you're just trying to go animate our images one after the other. So when you come to your scripts, check where the script begins. Okay, check where it begins, like where they start talking. Sometimes they used to add actions, sometimes they used to add dialogue first. So you just check how the movie is. Now after you done, go ahead to copy it. Once you done copy it, now head over to your Play Store if you're using Android, or Apple Store if you're using iPhone. Now when you get to your Play Store, go to the search bar. Then kindly search this thing you're seeing on the screen, which is Qwen Studio. Okay, now once you're done searching it, can you go ahead to send it? This is the logo, this is how it is. I've already downloaded mine. Okay, now once you're done downloading it, can you go ahead to click on that open? Now whenever you click on that open, this is the first thing you will see. Kindly click on that login. When you click on that login, now kindly continue with your Google. When you continue with your Google, they will now bring in your email for you to choose anyone you want to work with. So once you have successfully sign in, so this is the next thing you will see. Like this is the next interface you will see. Okay, now kindly click on that plus sign you are seeing there. This is exactly what you see on this app, like the features this app possessing, like a lot. A lot. Okay, you can see use this app to research, like in terms of you are trying to get your script, this app can get your full script for you and also give you consistent image. Just make sure you ensure the app very well and give in your nice prompts. Okay, I can see use this app to create your images. Okay, so anyone you want to go with, just kindly make sure you choose the one. Okay, but the main thing we are here is for us to generate our video. So can't you go ahead to click on that create video? Now when you click on create video, this is exactly what we see next. Do you see that 16 points? Now can you go there to change your ratio? Okay, remember the ratio your image is. Okay, so after that, go ahead to click on that plus sign. Do you see all photos? Click on all photo. That will not take you direct to your gallery, or you can still choose your image like this, because like this now you are still seeing your gallery images. Okay, so once you done, just choose any one method you want to work, but my image is here. That's why I go ahead to choose the image. Remember the first one we generated. Okay, and click on done. So after that, you see describe the image you want to generate. Okay, this is where you be pasting your script. We just copy it from crowd, like the script we are using to work. Okay, so I go ahead to paste in the script. Mind you, whenever you paste in your script in any of this app, always remember to animate your script. It's very nice. You animating your script will help you to get like better result. Okay, so that you not exhausted your credit. Do you understand? So that's why I go ahead to tell the app the lady putting on green. Okay, you can see I copied a shot script because the for this app you have to generate 5 minutes video. So that's why I got to copy the short script so that the app will not cut the sentence they are to say. Do you understand? So after everything, you get to send it. And also one advantage of this app is that they don't have watermark on their videos. And also it's unlimited, guys. That you can use it to generate a lot of videos. Just all you have to do, just make sure you always try your best to animate the scripts, okay? And also mind you can still use the website. Just go to any of your browsing app of your choice and type QuinStudio. Okay, they brought out their website, which I mean their logo, which you have seen it already. Now guys, our video is ready. Now I can check the outcome.
5 years of marriage, 5 years and still nothing. My mother-in-law prays for me like I'm the problem.
Guys, do you see the magic? Like, do you see the magic? So for you to save it, do you see that play button? Can you click on that play button? You see download. Now can you click on that download and it will save direct to your gallery? And please, if you want me to show you in any other thing, please can you comment it on the comment section? And also this video was very helpful. Kindly make sure you subscribe, share with someone, and also drop a useful comment so that we bring in a videos like this. And see you guys in my next vlog. Please always remember to watermark your video so that others will not be making money with your video. It's very important.